Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 30th video in Android application development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create custom fragment dialog in Android Studio. So this is from the previous video. If I click on open fragment dialog, you can see I have a nice fragment dialog. Okay, so now in this video I want to show you that how you can send data from your this fragment dialog to the main activity. For example, if a person writes something in here, and if he click on OK, I want to send data in this section. Okay, so I'm using my previous project. So this is my main activity. Now in the main activity I need a text view like this, because I want to send the data to this text view, and because I'm using constraint layout and I need to make constraint this. Okay, so now let me just open, we have a text view. I have an error, so I think it's not constraint. Okay, so now in the text view, first let me add an ID for this. So I call it, for example, txt input, and let me just give Android text size to 20 sp, Android text style to bold, and Android text color to color primary. Also change this to match print, and now you can see, let me just give an alignment. So Android text alignment to the center like this. Okay, so the first thing I need to find this in my main activity. So text view, and I call it, for example, text txt input, txt input, find view by id r.id.txt input. Okay, now we have a custom layout, and in the custom layout you can see we have an edit text and we have two buttons. Now we are going to open our custom fragment dialog class, and in here we need to find these. So button, we have btn OK, and we have btn cancel, and also we have an edit text. I call it, for example, edit input. So okay, now for btn OK, find, because we're in the fragment, we need to view.find view by id r.id.btn OK, and btn cancel view.find view by id r.id.btn cancel. And for the edit text, so view.find view by id r.id. So what was the name of our edit text? So it is input text. Okay, so for the cancel, it's simple. We can just simply write btn cancel dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we can just get dialog dot dismiss. It's easy. Now for the btn OK, it's it needs a little coding. So btn OK dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, and here the first thing we need, we are going to get the text from the edit text. So I call it input. So edit input dot get text dot to string. Okay, so after that we are going to check that it should not be empty. So not input dot equals, so if it is not empty, we are going to send the data. So main activity get activity and in here we are going to get from our activity this we are going to this text input, we are going to get that. So dot txt input, and we are going to set text, and we need to add our input in here like this. So and else we are going to just give a toast. So toast dot make text get activity, please enter something, and toast dot length short dot show. Okay, so now let me just run this. Okay, so guys, this is my application. If I click on open fragment dialog, you can see I have this, and if I don't write something in here, and if I click on OK, you can see please enter something. And if I write something, for example Android development, click on OK, you can see we have Android development in here. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like and share the videos.